Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change your profile on Hinge. First, open the Hinge app on your mobile phone. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your main profile page where all your details are displayed. Once you're on your profile, look for the edit button, then tap on edit profile. This button lets you update every part of your profile including photos, bio, and prompts. To change your profile, just tap on the one you want to replace and you can either select a new photo from your gallery or take a new one. You can either choose your photos from Facebook, Instagram. Once you've chosen your new photo, tap on done. And that's it. You've successfully updated your new Hinge profile. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much and I'll see you guys next time.